Hey guys, as you see in the picture, 50% off an incredible offer on Pincode app. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered some grocery on Pincode app. Have got 50% off on the first order by applying a coupon at checkout, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see here, you have 20% off on medicines. If you don't have prescription, after placing the order of medicines, you can contact the doctor as shown in the picture, and you have biscuits or any other snacks, say any kind of food products or food stuff starting from just 5 rupees. This is awesome, right? To have 5 rupees products added to your cart. Anyways, let me tell you the offer details. You have 50% off on the first order, so the new users can apply the code at checkout to have this offer applied on your order. And you have not only offer on your first order, but you have offer on first 5 orders as well. So from 2 to 5 orders you can avail 25% off up to, if I'm not wrong. So here are mangoes, which everyone like, right? These are juicy, carbide free, fresh in taste, and you can enjoy or relish the juicy mangoes on Pincode. And you all know Pincode is powered by phonepe app. So whenever you place the order, you have to go via phonepe to complete your payment, as you see in the picture. Now we'll see as how to place order on Pincode. You can go to Pincode app, get the app otherwise from the Play Store. As you see in the picture, you have this offer details right on the home screen. You can check out as 50% off on your first order. And here are some of the items which are excluded from the offer. They say oils and some other stuff. You can check out. As you see here, you can scroll down and check out what the spotlight offers. You have 50% off on snacks. You can just add to the cart, and make sure if you want 50% off on your first order, the order value should be 200 rupees, then only you can avail the offer. If you don't want the offer of 50%, you can place an order of minimum 100 rupees to get free delivery on Pincode app. And you have this biscuits, already I have told, starting from any other stuff starting from 5 rupees, and you can check out. You can give in the search bar as shown in the video and have your products added to the cart as per your wish and need. And here you can see the fresh fruits and veggies also. You can add to the cart, as the summer season on, mango season is in, right? So you can add to the cart and go to view cart. Now click on apply offers. Once you does that, different kinds of coupons will show up. You can apply 50% off coupon on your first order, and rest of the coupons you can apply in the subsequent orders. And let me tell you, this is an UPI offer, and you have to pay via UPI only to avail this 50% off coupon. And after that, you can go to proceed to pay. Once you click that, you can complete your payment. You will be navigated to PhonePe account, and you can use any of the banks or UPI to complete your payment as shown in the picture. Or you can choose any debit or credit card payment. Once you choose that, you can complete your payment. And here it says transaction successful, and the delivery would take 30 minutes after placing the order as shown in the picture. You can see 100 off on the order value. So that's it, done. There's no cash on delivery available on Pincode app. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.